What is ROI in robotics? Before any company invests in a robot, there's one key question they must answer: is it worth it? The answer to that question is found in ROI, or return on investment. It's a financial metric that measures the profitability of an investment, and it's the most important factor in deciding if automation is a good idea. So how exactly do you calculate a robot's ROI? You have to consider two sides of the equation: the costs and the gains. The investment costs are not just the purchase price of the robot, they also include integration into the production line, software, programming, staff training, and ongoing maintenance. On the other hand, the investment gains are all the value the robot generates. This is where the return becomes tangible. A robot can increase productivity by working tirelessly, reduce operating costs by being more efficient and minimizing waste, and improve product quality with its precision. Additionally, a huge benefit is greater safety, since robots handle dangerous tasks, reducing workplace accidents. Imagine a factory that invests $100,000 in a robot. If in the first year that robot reduces costs and increases production, generating a total value of $150,000, the ROI is 50%. That means the investment not only paid for itself but also generated an additional $50,000 in profit. In short, ROI is the most critical metric for justifying a robotics project. It turns a technological decision into a smart business decision, demonstrating how automation can generate tangible profits and make a company more efficient and competitive.